Friday's triple Qs with 10,000 requests on the daily chart for me to come in here and talk about the Friday triple Q volatility, what resistance is. I can tell you what we did today. We took advantage and we went on the option and we went out to November 15th. We went to the 490 puts and we paid $14. They're at 15.29 by 15.34. That is the 490 put on the triple Q November 15th expiration. There is resistance. So beautifully done. It tested the reversal and we own the put options on the 490 triple Qs. We got other ones available. We kept stops on those and went with calls. It doesn't matter. This is by heavy request on the triple Qs with the 490 puts, and that trade on a Friday volatility day has been executed.